Good morning, afternoon or evening as the case may be. Have you ever had this problem? You want to put a new shortcut on your desktop. A nice quick way of doing it is to right mouse click, select New, Shortcut. Now I'm running under Windows 10 here, but it should be similar in other earlier versions of Windows. And it asks you the type of location of the item. Now invariably it's easier to go for a browse. So I go for a browse and suddenly I find what's happened here. All I've got is the desktop and my user ID. So, which is the user files. There's plenty of things under that, but where's drive C gone? Where's drive D, etc.? I have a real problem here. At first I thought this was a corruption of my, first of all, my user files, which is not correct, but second, some sort of corruption of the registry, and it took me a long time to work out what was wrong. Just cancel there, cancel. Now, look at the number of icons I have on the desktop. I'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 across. 4 down is 20, 23, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 3, 6, 9, 10. That's 47, 50. There's 10 across there. 60, 63, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76 plus 4 is 80. 85. I've discovered that if you have too many items on your desktop, it breaks the browse window when you're looking for creating new desktop shortcuts. So we need to reduce the number of items, and strangely enough, 85 is the cutoff point. Once you hit 85, you break it. Go to 84 and it works. Okay, so I'll just get rid of one of them. I don't need this Maxthon App Store one, so I'll just delete it. Delete. Off it goes. It'll go to the recycle bin so I can put it back later. Now what I did have previously was a shortcut with lots of files in the shortcut. I'll come back to that later. Lots of shortcuts within the shortcut itself. So now that I have one less, let's try again. Right mouse click, New, Shortcut, Browse, voila. Everything's back how it should be. Cancel, cancel. So I have this problem. If I want to put more icons on the desktop, that I'm going to break that functionality within my computer system. How can I fix it? Okay, well, make sure you have less than 85, fewer than 85 icons on your desktop is one thing. And in fact, that's the only way you can ensure it. I was talking a moment ago about some of these folders here containing lots of icons, and that was the main reason why I couldn't. I had about 400 items sitting on my desktop. So if I create a shortcut, and I actually place within that shortcut, say a folder, I have some stored here somewhere. Where are we? Data. Desktop folders. So I had one, say we'll try bridge. No, there weren't many in that one. We'll try downloads. That had hundreds. So I had this folder called downloads, and it had lots and lots of files and folders within it. and I actually had downloads on the desktop. We'll just call it downloads too. And I'll just find it. Where did it go? Not sure what happened to it. Downloads, where are you? There it is, downloads too. Let's move it over here where we can keep an eye on it. So even though this is one item, within it are 2,987 items sitting in that. So in effect, I had 2,987 items added to my desktop just in that one shortcut. So the secret here is, if you do happen to add a folder to your desktop, make sure it points to a folder in your file system. So here's my downloads here, and if I open that up, I still get the same effect, but it's actually, this one is pointing to a folder contained in my file system, whereas this one, which has the same data in it, is actually pointing to a parent folder which has lots of folders under it. This one doesn't have folders under it. It actually contains the files. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, so we'll get rid of that. Now, just to prove things is correct. Oh, no, that's all right. We'll just delete that. There we go. So let's check that everything's all right at the moment. New, shortcut, browse, and there we go. Took me months to work out what was causing that. I hope this has been of some help to somebody out there. Have a great day or night or whatever. Bye.